Good morning students. Today we are going to solve the exercise 9.5. In this exercise we have to use identities. And students, we have already studied about 4 basic identities, and now we have to use those identities in this exercise in solving the questions of this exercise. Okay students. So, first question is, use a suitable identity to get the following products. To find out the products, we have to use a suitable identity in these questions, student. There are 4 parts of questions are written here and some parts are not written, and those parts you have to do yourself. But first of all, you have to understand what is the process or what identity we are going to use in different type of questions. So, students, first of all you have to observe the question, and after that you will guess what identities you will use in this question. So, student, first part of the question is x plus 3 and into x plus 3. It means x plus 3 whole square. Clear student? This one is a plus b whole square. Identity is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Students, in this question we have to use identity a plus b whole square. Clear students? So, a plus b whole square, it means a square plus 2ab plus b square. This one is identity and this one identity first. So, first of all you have to compare this expression x plus 3 whole square with the identity a plus b whole square. In place of a there is x and in place of b there is 3. So, x plus 3 whole square is equal to, that is first x square plus 2 into a means x into b, that is 3. Clear student? Plus b square. B square it means 3 square. स्टूडेंट, जब हम इसको कंपेयर करते हैं इस आइडेंटिटी से इस एक्सप्रेशन को, तो हम देखते हैं कि a के प्लेस पर x है, b के प्लेस पर 3 है. तो जहाँ पर यहाँ एक्सप्रेशन में जहाँ पर a स्क्वायर है वहाँ पर हमने x स्क्वायर लिख लिया, जहाँ पर a है वहाँ पर x और जहाँ पर b है वहाँ पर 3 हमने यहाँ पर उसको नोट कर लिया इसमें. नाउ वी हैव टू multiply this x square, it means x into x, that is x square, plus 2 3 ja 6 x plus 3 into 3 square means 9. This one is answer, students. So, expression of this x plus 3 whole square is equal to x square plus 6x plus 9. Clear students? Now, this one third part of this question. Okay, 2a minus 7. It means 2a minus 7 into 2a minus 7. It means 2a minus 7 whole square. Student, this is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This one is second identity, student. फर्स्ट हमने इस क्वेश्चन को देखा और उसके बाद हमने देखा बीच में माइनस है यहाँ और सेम थिंग्स हैं a माइनस बी, a माइनस बी. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? तो हमने यहाँ पर कौन सी आइडेंटिटी यूज़ किया? a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर, दैट इज a स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर. नाउ in place of A there is 2A, and in place of B there is 7. 2A minus 7 whole square is equal to A square means 2A whole square minus 2 into 2A into, in place of B there is 7 plus B square. Clear student? Now this one 2A whole square, it means 2A into 2A minus 2 2 जा 4 7 जा 28. स्टूडेंट्स इसको नंबर्स को एक साथ हमने मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया और A को ऐसे ही लिख दिया. 2 2 जा 4 7 जा 28A plus 7 into 7. 7 square means 7 into 7. That is 2 2 जा 4 A square minus 28A plus 7 7 ja 49. This is the answer of this part of the question, and in this part you have used identity second, that is A minus B whole square, that is A square minus 2AB plus B square. And now fifth part of the question is 1.1 m plus 0.4, sorry, minus 0.4 and 1.1 m plus 0.4. Student, in this A minus B, A plus B. Clear students? So we have to use identity A minus B into A plus B, that is A square minus B square. Now in place of A there is 1.1 m, and in place of B there is 0.4. Again A minus B, this one A plus B, 1.1 m plus 0.4. Clear student? This expression of this A square minus B square. A square means this 1.1 m, this one whole square minus B square means 0.4 whole square. Clear students? In place of A there is 1.1 m and in place of B there is 0.4. स्टूडेंट हमने कंपेयर किया जब एक्सप्रेशन जो आइडेंटिटी है हमारी आइडेंटिटी, दैट इज द आइडेंटिटी थर्ड. ओके, एंड व्हेन वी कंपेयर दिस expression with the identity A minus B into A plus B is equal to A square minus B square, we find that in place of A there is 1.1 m and in place of B there is 0.4. So this will be 1.1 m square minus 0.4 square. Clear student? So 1.1 m into 1.1 m minus 0.4 into 0.4, that will be 1.1 into 1.1, that will be 1.21 m into m square minus 0.4 into 0.4, 4 4 ja 16, that will be 0.16. Clear students? So this one is answer, and in this question you have used third identity, that is A minus B into A plus B, that is A square minus B square. Now ninth part of this question is x by 2 plus 3y by 4 into x by 2 plus 3y by 4. Students, in this question A plus B into A plus B, it means A plus B whole square, means x by 2 plus 3y by 4 whole square. It means a plus b whole square. Now, in this you will use identity first, that is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Clear, student? Now, in place of a there is x by 2 and in place of b 3y by 4. Students, जब हम compare करेंगे इस identity से, this one is the first identity, and when we compare this expression, given expression with this identity, we find that in place of a there is x by 2 and in place of b there is 3y by 4. So, this one x by 2 plus 3y by 4 whole square is equal to x by 2 whole square, x by 2 whole square plus 2 into x by 2 into b, that is b is 3y by 4, 3y by 4 plus 3y by 4 whole square. Clear, student? So, now this one will be x by 2 whole square, it means x by 2 into x by 2. Okay, students? This one is the part of this question. X by 2 into x by 2 plus 2 into x by 2 into 3y by 4. So, 2 and 2 cancel here, plus 3y by 4 whole square. It means you have to write here 3y by 4 into 3y by 4, students. 3y by 4 into 3y by 4. Now, it will be x into x, न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स और डिनोमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर के साथ. दिस वन x इंटू एक्स, दैट इज एक्स स्क्वायर बाई 2 इंटू 2, दैट इज 4, प्लस दिस वन 2 and 2 cancel, so 3xy by 4. Clear, student? Plus now this 3 into 3, that is 9y square by 4 into 4, 16. This one is the answer of this part. This is the 9th part of the question, and remaining part of this question you have to do yourself. Clear, students? Now we will solve question number 2nd. Students, this is question number 2nd, and in this question you have to use the identity x plus a into x plus b. The expansion of this identity is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. You have to use this identity to find out the product of these questions. So, first question is x plus 3 into x plus 7. So, first of all we have to compare this expression with the given identity, and we find that in place of x there is x, and in place of a there is 3, and in place of b there is 7. Clear, student? जब हम इसको आइडेंटिटी से कंपेयर करते हैं इस एक्सप्रेशन को, तो x के प्लेस पर x, a के प्लेस पर 3 और b के प्लेस पर 7 है. So, what is identity? First of all we will write the identity here. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b, that is ab, and the given expression is x plus 3 into x plus 7 is equal to, so student, this one is identity which you are going to use in solving this question. This one is identity, and this one x plus 3 into x plus 7 is equal to x square, because in place of x there is x, plus a means 3 plus b is equal to 7. So, and a plus b, that is 3 plus 7 into x plus a into b, 3 into 7, and this will be x square plus 3 plus 7, that is 10 into x, that is 10x plus 7 3 ja 21. This is the solution of the first part of the question, and in this part you have used the identity, that is x plus a into x plus b. Clear, student? So, after solving we find the solution, that is x square plus 10x plus 21. Now, we are going to use the identity in this expression. So, this expression is 4x minus 5 into 4x minus 1. So, student, this expression is not matching with the identity, given identity, because in given identity there is x plus a into x plus b, but in this x plus minus a into x minus b. So, here is minus, negative sign. So, we will write this according to the identity. So, 4x plus minus 5 and 4x plus minus 1. Now, this expression is according to the identity a plus b, x plus a and x plus b. Clear, student? So, in place of x there is 4x, in place of a there is minus 5, in place of b there is minus 1. Now, expansion of this identity, x 4x plus minus 5 into 4x plus minus 1 is equal to x square. It means 4x whole square plus a plus b, a that is minus 5 plus minus, it will be minus 1, and x that is 4x, and plus a into b minus 5 into minus 1, and this one will be 4x into 4x, and this minus 1 minus 5, that will be minus 6 into 4x plus minus 5 into minus 1, minus into minus, that will be plus, 5 1 ja 5. Now, 4 into 4, that is 16, 4 4 ja 16, x into x, x square, minus 6 4 ja 24, and this one x, 24x plus 5. This is the solution of third part of the question, and in this part you have used here in place of a, that is minus 5, and in place of b, that is minus 1. This is sixth part of the question, and in this there is 2a square plus 9 into 2a square plus 5. So, comparing with the identity, we find that in place of ax there is 2a square, in place of a there is 9, and in place of b there is 5. Now, expansion of this one, 2a square plus 9 into 2a square plus 5 is equal to, students, I am not going to write the identity here, but this one will be according to identity. इसको हम identity के अनुसार इसको expand करेंगे. Clear, student? So, this one x square, because in place of x there is 2a square, 2a square whole square plus a plus b, in place of A there is 9 and in place of B there is 5 into x, it means 2a square plus AB, A 9, B 5, 9 into 5, and this will be 2a square into 2a square plus 9 and 5, that is 14 into 2a square plus 9 5 ja 45, and this one will be 2 2 ja 4, a square into a square, that is a to the power 4. स्टूडेंट्स, जब हम ये बेस इक्वल होता है तो उसके एक्सपोनेंट्स ऐड हो जाते हैं, प्लस 14 2 या 28 a square plus 45. This is the solution of the sixth part of question. Now this one is the last part of this question, that is seventh part, and in place of x there is x y z, in place of a there is minus 4. Students, this question is just like question part third. Clear, student? So in this, first of all we have to make this according to the identity. सबसे पहले हम आइडेंटिटी के अकॉर्डिंग इसको चेंज कर लेंगे, और उसमें हम देखते हैं कि एक्स वाई जेड प्लस माइनस 4 एंड एक्स वाई जेड प्लस माइनस 2, जैसे हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर इसी क्वेश्चन के थर्ड पार्ट में किया था, सेम उसी की तरह से इसको चेंज कर लेंगे, एंड इन दिस b इज इक्वल टू -2, सॉरी -2 here. Clear, student? Now expansion is that x y z minus plus first plus -4 into x y z plus -2, clear, is equal to x square, means x y z square plus a plus b, a -4 and plus minus it will be -4 -2 a means sorry x, that is x y z plus a into b is -4 into -2, and that will be x square y square z square. स्टूडेंट, इसका हम स्क्वायर करेंगे तो दिस विल बी एक्स स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर एंड जेड स्क्वायर, एंड दिस वन -2 -4 and -2, that will be -6 into x y z and plus -4 into -2, मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे निगेटिव निगेटिव को तो ये पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, दैट इज 4 2 जा 8, and now this one will be x square y square z square minus 6xyz plus 8. This is the solution of the last part of the question. Clear, students? This is question number 3rd, that is find the following square by using the identities. This one, first part of this question, b minus 7 whole square. Students, in this questions we have to use suitable identities. Identity use करके इस स्क्वायर को हमको फाइंड आउट करना है. फर्स्ट वन इज b minus 7 whole square. Students, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर. जस्ट हम a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर की तरह से इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. सो आइडेंटिटी विल बी a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू a स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? इन प्लेस ऑफ a देयर इज b and in place of b there is 7. b minus 7 whole square is equal to first b whole square minus 2 into, that will be b into 7. a के प्लेस पर आइडेंटिटी में जो a है स्टूडेंट्स, वहाँ पर यहाँ b है a के प्लेस पर और b के प्लेस पर 7 है, और आइडेंटिटी a माइनस बी, सेकेंड आइडेंटिटी a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर, दैट इज a स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? दैट इज a square, it means b, because in place of a there is b, a square minus 2ab plus b square, it means 7 square. Now it will be b into b minus 2 7 ja 14b, and this one 7 into 7, b square minus 14b plus 49. This is the solution of this question, student, and in this we have used identity second, that is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This one is fourth part of the question, and in this we have to use identity a plus b whole square, because this one 2 by 3m plus 3 by 2n whole square. So we have to use here a plus b whole square, that is the first identity, and this one expansion of this identity is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now in place of a there is 2 by 3m, and in place of b there is 3 by 2n. Whole square is equal to a square means 2 by 3m square plus 2 into a is equal to 2 by 3m into b is equal to 3 by 2n plus b square means 3 by 2n whole square. Clear student? So this will be 2 by 3 into 2 by 3m into 2 by 3m plus 2 and 2 cancel here, 3 and 3 cancel here. Clear student? So 2mn plus 3 by 2 into 3 by 2n into 3 by 2n, that is स्टूडेंट्स न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर के साथ और डिनोमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे हम. 2m इंटू 2m, दैट इज 2 2 जा 4m स्क्वायर बाई 3 3 जा 9 प्लस 2mn प्लस again 3n into 3n, that is 9n square upon 2 2 ja 4. Clear friend? So this one will be, this one is the answer students. So 4m square by 9 plus 2mn plus 9n square by 4. This is the answer of this part.